Hey everybody, Mr. Wyrick here. I want to show you the cool Lego machines that my 6th graders have been building. Let's take a look.
This is something that I built, and I got thread, I wrapped it around this, and if you pull it, this goes up, and I put the girl right here to make it like she's doing.
Wire's not on tight enough. Can you bend over? It's hard to put that together, but
to make it spin. Oh, to make it spin like that, and I use the materials to make it stand so it don't hit the thing. Big problem. It's probably getting it for.
that doesn't work. No.
And what does it look like when you stop it? Oh, that's so cool.
I know.
Well, the one it kept falling off.
That's a lot of them.
I was talking about this.
Let's see it.
Move it forward.
Yeah, just move it forward a little bit. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I love that shot.